Yo, check it out, folks. It's Saturday, 12:53 p.m. There's Sugar and I are out driving around.
We're in Cowley, Wyoming, population 655. The local sheriff is
Cop was right there.
making sure that there are people respecting their town. Or maybe he just lives there. I think he just lives there.
Oh, it's highway patrol. Anyway, we're out and about. We came down. We're gonna go to the Bighorn Mountains today. It's a Saturday. It's what Sugar and I do. Right?
We adventure on the weekends. It's our thing.
Yeah, so we're out and about. I figured we drove through Beaver, Wyoming, which is kind of a cool place, and then this is Cowley, Wyoming,
So
which
has
is
a cute little storefront and stuff. Oh, look at the old schools.
Are these the old
Adorable.
schools over
Yeah,
there?
there's the old school over there.
Oh yeah, kind
That
of weird,
looks like a
interesting.
church. I wonder if they have a parochial school or something.
Yeah, and then here's these are kind of cool little downtown.
That's a cute little facade they built on there.
Yeah, so this is good old Cowley, Wyoming, near the Bighorn Mountains. We're apparently just cruising on through. So I just wanted to get that vlog started. We'll show you. I do have the drone with me, so we're gonna get some aerial footage of the Bighorn Mountains hopefully here in a bit. And we're driving and we're listening to good music, which is also what we do. Listening to the Cake Station on Pandora. It's fantastic, right?
I got my extra sunglasses today too.
You do have your extra sunglasses.
It's good to be extra.
I agree. That's Cowley, Wyoming for you right here. It's a little bit hazy. It's a lot hazy, but you know, it's not the end of the world. Here's your classic Wyoming scene.
Hey, you got a truck.
Nothing out. Nothing out here. Just miles and miles and miles of this. What do you
This has
think?
Little Dry Creek Road. So little and mostly dry is what we got out here.
What does this say? State historic marker, Sheep Mountain. If we weren't pressed for time, this is the type of thing I'd pull over and read and look at. The old good old Sheep Mountain historic marker. It's kind of a cool mountain over there.
It does look old.
Looks super old. It looks like the Middle East. Alright folks, we're coming through town. A&W, the big A&W, biggest, best restaurant in town. What town is this, Trevor?
Is this greybull, Wyoming?
I think this is Greybull, Wyoming. It's hard to say, but yeah, this is Greybull. This is 100% Greybull. Shopco, Security State Bank, Blair's Supermarket. The campaign signs are out. Big old campaign signs out. Oh, here's Greybull High School. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Greybull, Wyoming High School. Wow, that's actually a big, nice high school,
It
yeah.
reminds me of the middle school I went to, and they must have the same, they must be about the same age, same designer.
Right. By the way, it's 100 degrees. 99, it just dropped 1 degree.
It's hot AF.
It's hot out. It's definitely hot out. All right, that's enough Greybull for you. So this is Shell, Wyoming, population 83. And I barely got the camera out and turned on, and there's 3rd Street, and now we're out of town. That's how small it is, population 83. That was Shell. We're heading up into the Bighorns, baby. All right, check it out, folks. I think we're getting into the Bighorns a little bit. All of a sudden, we're driving along, and boom. We start seeing we're in like this canyon. These crazy. Oh yeah, check it out. There's this sign. Bighorn National Forest, baby. Check it out. It totally feels like we're on another planet here. It feels like we're on Mars. This is a very tight little canyon. Oh, did you mean tight like space-wise or like cool?
Both.
Both?
Yeah.
This is like geology heaven here.
Right? There was a geology center a few miles back.
There was.
Oh, look at the creek.
Beautiful little creek. All right, folks. This is our stuck in traffic in Wyoming story.
We're gonna be here at least 2 minutes.
It says at least 2 minute wait here. This is ridiculous. Look at that though over here.
That is interesting.
That's a point of interest back there, so it has to be interesting. Oh, there it
It's
is.
green now.
This is a Shell Falls interpretive area. Shell Falls interpretive site. What you doing?
Hello.
You made it.
It's pretty exciting.
It's pretty exciting. You ready to go? What do you think of the fact that like we come on little trips like this to like waterfalls and interpretive sites?
I think it's wonderful. It makes my inner nerd so happy.
Do you wish we had all the time to read all of these little...
I would read every single one, and then I would talk to you about it about the next week.
Right. A 4,000-mile journey.
Every drop counts.
Every drop counts. Lifeblood of the West. Oasis in the desert, shaping a canyon, forming waterfalls.
So, original waterfall, Shell Canyon, Brindle Falls, and Visitor Center, so we can walk the little trail.
1/8 of a mile, 10 to 20 minutes. Okay. Cool.
Curly Mountain Mahogany to your left.
Very cool. I'm glad they have plant signs. Oh, this is the view of the canyon. This isn't a view of the waterfall. I don't know, the thing about this place is that like all of the trails are paved.
Oh yeah.
There's not very far to walk. It's not like you can keep
It's very
going.
hot with the paving too.
And it's very hot, yeah.
Feels like I can't hold on.
What up, folks? You just saw a drone flight not but a 1/4 mile from the Shell Creek Falls Interpretive Center. Okay, so we just turned off right here before the Bighorn Scenic Byway, or right at the beginning of the Bighorn Scenic Byway. Got a little drone flight next to the river. Not sure which river. Is this the Bighorn River right next to it? Bighorn River?
Yes.
I can only imagine. Okay, so it's super hot in here, so I'm gonna turn the fan back on to AC. That's the update. Enjoy the drone. All right, so we stopped at the, what is it? The Quickstop Drive-In?
Yep.
In where?
Joliet, Montana.
In Joliet, Montana. And you said it's a fun place to stop on your way home from camping.
Definitely.
And we got a huckleberry shake.
Yeah.
Classic Montana, so good. Really good. With huckleberries in there. That's
Very
really good.
Will Coxon's probably.
That was one of the best ideas you've ever had.
Thank you.
It's so good. Anyways, we're just about home, so that's the end of the vlog. See ya.